Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we have a super brand new subscription I am super excited to share with you. So let's get in and let's get into Boxx. Alright guys, welcome back. As I said, we're getting into Boxx, and Boxx, guys, I've been eyeing this subscription for a while now. Boxx is a monthly period subscription. As you guys know, all we do on this channel is we take a look at different subscription boxes, see if they're worth it, do some reviews, and do some hauls. So if you dig videos like that, make sure you subscribe. Anyway, Boxx is a different subscription I've been eyeing on YouTube for a while now. It's a monthly period, again, subscription. What they do is they give you the essentials that you need every month, but they also include some extra goodies that you would need if you ever needed that last minute snack. It's just a variety of different essentials and extras that you would need just to make you feel better that time in the month. I know for me, it could be annoying to have to go to the store every time you have to refill yourself with your essentials. So this makes it super easy. It's very discreet, and it comes in a box just like this. And every month, from what I've seen, or every package, it comes with like different it's like different stickers here. This one says happy fall y'all. It has a theme every month, and I'm gonna go on their website so I can give you guys a better description, and I'll have their link in the description box below so you guys can check that out also and see which one would work better for you. So and the price does reduce itself. They have a monthly one, a 3-month, 6-month, and 12-month. So whatever you want to pay for in advance, the price of course goes down if you want. So they do have an adult box, they have an adult mini, they also have a self-care for 8 to 11, and then they have a self-care for teens for 12 and above. This company is a subscription box put together by a mother-daughter team. I think it's really good. I wish I would have knew about this subscription when my daughter, who's now 18, when she was younger, because this would have gotten her, you know, a little bit excited about getting that monthly girlfriend that most of us have to deal with all the way up until, you know, we get older, where I'm not there yet, so I will have to have this for a while. I like checking out different subscriptions that are non-beauty items also, just totally different. As I like to get subscriptions that I can make use out of, you know, because we only have one face. And not saying there's anything wrong with beauty subscriptions, because I get those too, but I like to get use out of this. So if I can get something that I can make use out of that I don't have left over in my drawer, I'm definitely excited about that. So I did open the package up. So this is the adult mini. And I just wanted, this is my first box. I kind of wanted to take a look to see. And again, I'll have the link for Boxx in the description box below if you guys want to check out, see which one would be good for you. Or they also have a non-essentials package if you kind of want the goodies minus the essentials if you no longer have your period. So you can do that too. They have a ton of different options, so you guys can check that out. So shush, Lynette, let's get into the box, right? Okay. So it has a ton of stuff here, and I'm gonna let you guys see on your side what it looks like. So it's packaged very well with those brown squigglies. So it's kind of hiding stuff, but let's see. The first thing I see here is a note. And again, this is my first box, and the owner of the company, her name is Shauna, and that's the one who works with her daughter. So this box, it's there, it's a note, and it says, "Hey Lynette, welcome to Boxx. With so many boxes out there, we are honored you chose us. Enjoy your October goodies. Love, XNO Shauna." And then another thing, that when you do sign up for this one, you get to answer a survey. So you kind of fill out a survey based on the things that you like, things that you use for your essentials. So the essentials, like if you use pads, if you use tampons, if you want organic, the type, name brand if you want. I chose a name brand for myself. Then they have what kind of sweets do you like, what do you use for this, what do you use for that, what kind of things that you like. And then not only that, so it's totally curated based on what you use, and then it's totally they have a Facebook group. So Shauna puts together different polls in that Facebook group. So once you guys are added to that Facebook group, if she's thinking about adding a product to that to the next month's theme, she does ask what kind of products do you guys like. So I love that, because it is curated not only with the essentials that you get, but it's curated to the extras that you get also. So love that about it. All right, so the very first thing I have here is a hotel Looks like a hotel key. It says Mega Babe, so you can put that on your keychain. Super cute. That's definitely a cute extra. And then let us dive in and see what we need this month for our essentials of what we need. All right, so the very first thing I have here is from Big Low. This is a salted caramel yummy tea, yummy caramel tea. So I definitely dive deep into teas when it is that time of the month. So I'm definitely gonna get use out of this one for sure. And then the next one, and again, another this is an essential for me. So this is Reese's Take 5. You guys can see that there. Definitely love chocolate. The next item here we have is Bubba Kettle Cooked Nana Chips. I've actually tasted this before. I forgot what subscription gave this to me, but I did get this. This, for me, was good. I loved it. And then the next item we have here is one of my favorites. Anything cookie, I'm down for. So this is pumpkin maple pecan cookies. So we are cool with that. Definitely excited about that. And then the next item we have here is Reese's Rice Krispie Treats pumpkin pie Rice Krispies. I've never actually seen that one before, so that is definitely getting that one. And then we have some more teas. So we have maple apple cider, caffeine free. So that is really good because, you know, at night you kind of don't want any more caffeine, but you kind of still want that tea. Then another one we have here is salted caramel black tea. That is really, really cool. And then the next item we have here, this is pumpkin and honey clay mask. Now, if you follow my channel, you guys know I totally dig clay mask for sure. So then the next item we have is from Traditional Medicinals. This is organic raspberry leaf. Let me see if you guys can see that. There you go. And then another item, oh, and I actually need this. So this is caramel apple pie lip butter. So there you go. Let us take a swatch and smell it. Now this is really, really, obviously it's lip butter, so it's not gonna be a color, but it smells really, really good. And it's not flimsy or thin. This is definitely gonna give you it's gonna last you a very long time. So in winter, I don't know what's wrong with my lips. They've been super chapped, so I'm definitely gonna start using that for sure. Another item we have here is a fall snack mix. So it looks like this is from your, let me see, caramel popcorn, pumpkin spice yogurt pretzels, and pumpkin spice pecans. Okay, I am digging this one. This is definitely fall for sure. That looks really, really good. Not too sure if I'm gonna share this one with anyone. I don't think I'm sharing this with anyone in the house. So too bad, so sad. The next thing we have here is pumpkin sugar scrub. So that is really, really good. Let me see and pull this open. It does have the safety seal. Okay, that is really, really good. Look at that. That is definitely gonna last a long time. And it does, if you love pumpkin, that's what this smells like. It definitely smells good. Next item we have here is pumpkin pie soy wax candle. That is what that looks like there. And again, smells like pumpkin. I love pumpkin smell, so in November I am definitely gonna get used. It's a 1-wick candle, but it smells really strong, so I can see that lasting a very long time, smelling the house. And then we have another thing here. It looks like we have a brush, a makeup brush, so definitely excited to try that out. And then we have, okay, last thing, I just wanted to make sure because there was like a lot of stuff in this box. I definitely am excited. Okay, and then of course you have your essentials. So whether you chose the pads, you get liners. I have pads and liners here. And then we have, yeah, we have liners. And then in here, where your liners are, you actually get Advil. So that is really, really good with all your essentials. So in a sense, I am set. See, one of the reasons why I love this subscription is because not only do you get what you need, you don't have to go to the store. I like to get subscriptions that I'm gonna get use out of. I know I said that in the beginning, but I like to get use out of things. If I'm gonna pay for a service, I wanna make sure that I'm using that service and it's not just something that's sitting in my house. So this is definitely a subscription that I'm definitely gonna get use out of, because let's do a recap and go back and see what we got. So we got our essentials, what we need for the month, right? We have that. And then we have our, I'll go back, we have our pumpkin pie sugar scrub to make us feel better. We have our candle to make it more relaxing. We have our huge fall snack mix where I can totally eat that when it's that time. We have an extra makeup brush that's super fun. We have a pumpkin pie Rice Krispie treat. We have our teas, and this month we received 4 different teas here. So this is really good. Think about it, it usually lasts like 3 to 4 days. So that's 1 tea, a day. And then we have our little chips here for if you need that salt. We have our clay mask, just to make your face feel better, and nutritious. I can't even talk. Feel better anyway during that time. We have a keychain, which I'm sure was an extra. We have some pumpkin maple pecan. And one thing I don't think I did mention, and this is a Reese's Take 5. One thing this fell out, and I apologize, it did fall out when I opened it. This was a postcard, and it said autumn leaves pumpkin please. So that was there. And on the other side, it says it's fall, y'all. We can think of so many reasons to love fall. Think we're kidding? Here's 20. So they give you 20 different things about fall. And it says your October box is filled with intentional fall-inspired items. Instead of the typical blah, blah insert, what we want you to smell, feel, and experience each item individually to create your own synopsis and uses for them. Products range from antioxidant pumpkin clay mask to our annual fall recipes of yum. So the theme for me was bakery. So it shows you everything on the other side. If you guys want to take a snapshot of that. So I guess each theme was based on your preference. So mine was bakery because I love sweets during that time of the month. So you could have chose coffee shop, sweet, or spice. So what did you, oh, and I forgot the lip balm, which I put it to the side because I'm using right after this video. So what did you guys think of the, this is the adult mini box. So the bigger box is definitely bigger than that. And we went through the different options that you have, and you guys can check those out in the description box below. This was my first box. I'm definitely gonna get use out of the items in here because this makes me put this box away until it's that time so that I can save my little stash so that no one can touch it, and then I can, open it when I need it. So what did you guys think of the Dot Box? Have you guys used Dot Box subscription before? What did you guys think? Was it worth it? To me, it definitely was worth it. I would recommend it because it makes it so much easier for that time of the month for you to get your little stash. It's not expensive in my opinion, and it gives you lots of goodies so you can get through that time. So with that being said, you guys let me know in the comment section what you guys thought of this box, and we will see you on the next video. So make sure you like and subscribe if you dig subscription boxes. Have a good day, guys.